The Cuban sandwich is one of our all-time favorite sandwiches and is a must-eat when visiting Miami. The sandwich features layers of thinly sliced roast pork, ham, Swiss cheese, dill pickles, and yellow mustard, all stacked between pressed Cuban bread. Here are 3 places we had delicious Cuban sandwiches while visiting Miami. Sandwich Day Miami has our favorite Cuban sandwich, and it's usually our first stop when we arrive in the city. The Croqueta Preparada is our go-to sandwich here. It's a classic Cuban sandwich topped with croquettes. Versailles has been serving up classic Cuban cuisine since the 1970s and is one of the most famous restaurants in Florida. We think their Cuban sandwich is a must-try when in Miami. After a long day at the beach, we stopped in for a quick Cuban sandwich from the Cubano food truck in the Wynwood neighborhood. They serve up a quick and delicious classic Cuban sandwich that hit the spot on a hot Miami evening. What's your favorite Cuban sandwich spot in Miami, and where should we go next time we visit?